Hello everyone, welcome back to our Lost Artistry YouTube channel. Today we're going to be touching on the importance and the necessary steps we want our clients to take in regards to lash aftercare. Today we are going to be touching on 3-star products that I recommend for aftercare for your clients. First up being our Sensi Bath or Lash Bath. So this is a pump out foam lash cleanser. And the reason why we want to recommend this to our clients after a service as well as an upsell for you as a lash artist is because it removes all the dirt, the gunk and grime from your client's lashes. So for example, imagine if you never washed your hair. It's kind of the same thing. With the shampoo, you're removing dirt and buildup. Same with the Lash Bath and Sensi Bath, you're removing all the dirt and buildup so that when your clients come back in, they have a clean slate for you to work on and everything is squeaky clean. Another thing I'd like to recommend today is our Lost Artistry lash brushes. This brush is mainly used for lash cleansing. You would pump foam on top of the brush and then use the brush as a cleansing brush. With this brush, it's super soft and durable. It's also portable, so you're really stressing the fact that with this brush, you can definitely cleanse your lashes wherever you are. It's also very comfortable for the eyes. It's not irritating and it won't bug your client while they're cleansing. This is also a good opportunity to stress the fact that cleansing your lashes should be a routine. So with your Lash Bath or your Sensi Bath and with your lash brush, you can kind of start to stress implementing a cleansing moment for your client, whether it be in the morning or before bed. It's definitely something that they can build into their routine to benefit not only them, but you as a lash artist to have them coming back with super clean lashes. And last but not least, our third product I recommend is our Lash Aftercare cards. So these are cards that you can actually give to your client, no extra charge, and they will give instructions on how to properly cleanse and take care of the lashes. This is really awesome if your clients are a little bit more forgetful or they're worried about instructions and steps, or even if they're busy and just don't have time to think about their lash aftercare. Perfect way to get them to keep up with their routine and stay steady so that everyone is happy.